Listen and practice speaking skills. Hey, it's so nice to finally have some time for just the two of us.
Absolutely. It's been too long since we had a quiet dinner together.
I know, right? Life gets so busy sometimes. How was your day?
It was okay. Work was a bit hectic, but nothing I couldn't handle. How about yours?
Busy too. The kids had so much going on, and there were a million things to do at home.
I appreciate you taking care of everything. It means a lot.
Of course. We're a team, right? So, what do you feel like having for dinner?
I'm in the mood for something different. How about trying that new Italian place downtown?
Oh, I heard about that. Italian sounds perfect. Pizza or pasta?
Let's go for pasta. I've been craving a good Alfredo.
Alfredo it is then. By the way, did you hear about Linda's promotion at work?
No, I didn't. That's great news. She's been working so hard for it.
Exactly. I'm happy for her, but it also made me think about my career goals.
Anything specific on your mind?
I don't know, maybe going back to school or taking up a new skill. It feels like there's always more to learn.
That's a great mindset. What kind of courses are you interested in?
Maybe something related to marketing. It's always fascinated me.
That's a fantastic idea. You'd be great at it. Speaking of which, did you see the marketing campaign for that new gadget?
Oh yes, the one with the catchy jingle. It's everywhere.
It's amazing how advertising can influence our choices. Makes you think, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Sometimes I catch myself buying things just because of a good ad.
It happens to the best of us. So, how are the kids handling school lately?
They're doing well, but you know how teenagers are. It's always drama with friends and homework.
True. I remember those days. It's a phase, they'll get through it.
I hope so. By the way, did you get a chance to talk to your brother?
Not yet. We've both been so busy. I'll give him a call tomorrow. How's he doing?
He's good, but he mentioned planning a family reunion. It's been ages since we all got together.
That sounds like a great idea. It's about time we caught up with everyone.
I agree. We should plan something similar for our side of the family too.
Definitely. It's important to stay connected. Hey, remember our first date?
Of course, how could I forget? It feels like it was just yesterday.
Time really does fly. I still remember being so nervous.
You were adorable. I knew right then that you were the one for me.
And I knew I was the luckiest guy in the world. Cheers to many more years together.
Cheers, my love. Here's to us and to this delicious pasta.
Hey, Jen. Long time no talk. What's up?
Hey. Not much, just planning my vacation. I need a break from work.
Oh, I totally get that. Where are you thinking of going?
I've decided to take a solo trip to Greece. Always wanted to explore the islands.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What made you choose Greece?
I've heard it's beautiful, plus the history, the food, everything seems so enchanting. Have you been?
No, not yet. But I've heard incredible things. You're going alone?
Yeah, it's kind of a self-discovery journey. Plus, I can go at my own pace without worrying about anyone else's agenda.
That's brave. I don't know if I could do a solo trip.
Trust me, it's a bit nerve-wracking, but I'm excited. Besides, it's time to break out of my comfort zone.
Hey, Jen. How's Greece treating you?
Sarah. It's beyond amazing. The beaches, the people, the ancient ruins. It's like stepping into a postcard.
Jealous. What have you been up to?
Well, yesterday I hiked up to this ancient temple. The view was breathtaking.
That sounds like a dream. Any interesting people you've met?
Oh, you won't believe it. I ended up joining a group of travelers for a boat tour to some hidden caves. Met this fascinating artist from Italy.
No way. Sounds like the start of a romance novel.
Who knows? We're just enjoying the moment. But seriously, Sarah, I'm so glad I did this. I feel so alive.
Jen. You're back. How was the trip?
Sarah, it was life-changing. I can't even put it into words. I've learned so much about myself, and I've made friends from around the world.
That's incredible. Any favorite moment?
Tough question. Maybe sitting on a cliff at sunset, overlooking the Aegean Sea. Or dancing at a beach party till the early morning hours.
I'm so happy for you. You've inspired me to consider a solo trip.
Do it, Sarah. You won't regret it. It's like stepping into a different world and discovering parts of yourself you never knew existed.
Good morning. How are you today?
Morning. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Did you sleep well last night?
Actually, no. I had trouble falling asleep, too much on my mind.
I understand. Anything specific bothering you?
Work stuff. I have a big presentation next week, feeling a bit nervous.
Presentations can be stressful. What's it about?
Sustainable living. Encouraging people to reduce their carbon footprint.
Interesting. I've been thinking about starting a small vegetable garden.
That's a step toward sustainability, for sure.
Have you ever tried gardening?
Not really. I don't have much of a green thumb, but it's never too late to start, right?
True. You can always learn. By the way, how's your family doing?
They're good. My niece just turned 3, and it's amazing how much she's changed.
Kids grow up so fast. My daughter just started first grade.
Time flies, indeed. By the way, have you tried that new cafe on Elm Street?
Not yet. Is it any good?
Fantastic. They have the best coffee. We should check it out together sometime.
How about this weekend?
Perfect. I'll let you know the exact time. Oh, speaking of plans, any vacation ideas for the upcoming holidays?
I'm thinking of visiting some historical sites. Maybe a road trip to explore places I've never been.
Sounds like a lot of fun. We should exchange travel tips sometime.